Can a vented gas fireplace be easily converted to a wood-burning fireplace?
Hello there. Today we're going to tackle an important question for those of you who are considering a switch in your heating method. Can a vented gas fireplace be easily converted to a wood-burning fireplace?
Understanding the basics.
When it comes to converting a vented gas fireplace to a wood-burning one, it's important to understand that this is not a simple, DIY project. It's a complex procedure that often involves significant modifications to your existing system, from the firebox to the venting and chimney infrastructure.
Why is it so complex?
The complexity stems from the differences in how these two types of fireplaces operate. Gas fireplaces are designed to burn gas efficiently and safely, and the ventilation requirements are different than those for a wood-burning fireplace. Wood-burning fireplaces require a larger, more robust chimney and flue to handle the increased heat and combustion byproducts. In addition, there are safety standards and building codes that must be adhered to when installing or modifying a wood-burning fireplace. These codes vary by region, so it's crucial to know your local regulations.
The conversion process.
To convert a vented gas fireplace to a wood-burning one, a professional will need to do several things. 1. Inspect the existing system to determine if it's physically possible and safe to make the conversion. 2. Remove the gas logs, gas line, and any other gas-related components. 3. Check and possibly modify the chimney or flue to ensure it can handle the smoke, soot, and higher temperatures produced by wood. 4. Install a firebox that's designed for wood burning, if the existing one isn't suitable. 5. Inspect and modify the hearth to ensure it meets the safety requirements for a wood-burning fireplace. These are general steps, and the specific requirements can vary greatly based on your home and the existing setup.
So, is it worth it?
Well, it depends on your personal preferences and the specifics of your home. Converting a vented gas fireplace to a wood-burning one is a significant project, but if you love the smell, sound, and ambiance of a real wood fire, it might be worth it. However, always ensure you have a professional inspect your home and provide a detailed estimate before you decide. So, to answer the initial question, no, converting a vented gas fireplace to a wood-burning fireplace is not an easy task. It's a complex process that should be handled by professionals to ensure safety and compliance with local regulations. We hope this video has been helpful in providing some clarity on this topic. Stay warm and safe.